The new TI-84 EVO CYOTS Create Your Own Trace Step with Delta X. We will begin by graphing this equation here in Y1, and we'll use zoom 4, zoom decimal. And you can see that's not showing me a complete graph. So by trial and success, I changed it to this window, and you can see now when I graph it, it is a complete graph. When I trace, starts at the X mid value of the screen, and you'll notice that the X increases by an unusual number. So if I go here, this is my delta X or my trace step, which I'm not really wild about. So what I can do is change that value to something nicer, like say 0.25. Now watch what happens. One number is going to change when you change delta X. When I press enter, and you can see the X max changed. Everything else stayed the same. And when I graph, it's a little bit wider than maybe I like, but now when I trace, going to the X mid value, notice every trace step is now 0.25. And it also gives me a nice exact fraction when it can. So let's summarize. This was my first window, and the delta X was not so nice. So I changed the delta X, and it affected this X max value. And then when I traced, the trace step was now 0.25. And reminder, when you press trace, the initial X value is the X value exactly in the middle of the screen. For more TI-84 EVO videos, please visit this website. It is case sensitive.